Alireza Esmaeilzadeh. I study industrial management and innovation in Hamzat University. It's almost done. I'm working on the thesis right now, and then here we are. Okay, catfish. Catfish for me is it's not a product. It's not a object. For me, it's a movement. It's I see Catfish project as a movement towards sustainability, like how to use technology, how to use tools and devices to get more data about the environment. And then as we know more about environment, we can do more for environment. We can tackle the issues, problems like pollution and stuff like that. So our first project is Catfish project, and the Catfish project is a device to capture the environment, the data from environment, from like down in the sediment, in the surface and above water, to perceive the environment as it is, to then it give us the power to design something or to like find a solution. It was a competition about Baltic Sea, so we supposed to find a solution for the Baltic Sea, so because it's one of the most polluted seas all over the world. So we were invited in a meeting and discussed about the competition. So we had some, I would say, some ideas, which was like none of them was good, but it was just like an ideation meeting. But after that meeting, Joachim suggested us to work on, instead of working on that competition, we can find a solution for Nissan River, which is almost here. So we can try and we can develop more different solutions to find a way. So that was the first day of Catfish, I would say. Even though we didn't have any idea, we didn't have any name for it or something, but gradually we started working on it. We like consider different designs and different problems, because first of all we went for plastic, but plastic is not a big problem in Sweden. Mainly like the chemicals are more problematic right now. So we found the problem first, and then we started to find the solution that first of all fits the problem, and then it's possible to do it in the university. We have some resources here. We have Fab Lab, we have like different departments, they know about their part, but like to get everything together and find the solution to that fits the environment, fits the problem, that was our job. So basically that was the reason we started, but we really wanted to expand the team. We really wanted to bring more people, because the knowledge sharing inside the teamwork is the main value for us. Like when Mike came to the team, or when Julian came to the team, or others, they came with the background, they came with the knowledge. So when we work together, we get to know about their field, although we are not going to be expert in their field, but we know what is going on there. We know like the basics, we know the general knowledge. So that is really good for us, for like everyone in the project that want to work for company later on, or want to work with their own idea, to have a general idea about different fields, different expertise. Then that was the main thing, I think. Nothing. The thing I try to do is, first of all, to make the team more productive and bigger, because if we have more people and they can work with each other in a good way, then we have more knowledge sharing, we have more progress in the project. So my part, I would say, is not that technical, although I started with technical design, like, because nobody was there, so like we had to learn and we had to apply our limited knowledge to design something. But now that we have more people from different fields, they took over their part. So I think my part is more to put the team together, keep the team together, and provide them with the resources they need. So we need money for like buying the stuff. We need cooperation with companies, with university, with different departments. I think my part is to take care of this, I would say, coordination. And then, of course, if something is not working well, I have to put more time into that to help with others to fix the problems. I would say, first of all, for me it's a simulation of R&D. I really want to learn how to work and how to cooperate in an R&D environment. That is the best thing I can learn from this project. And then how to bring ideas, how to bring more people to solve that problem. And then that is the thing I'm looking for in general. And then, of course, I really want to learn a little bit of every and each expertise inside the project. I want to know more about like embedded system, what they do, or like environmental science, what they do, what is the concern. And the fact that we have a really big problem in the center, that everyone with different expertise are collaborating to solve that problem, is like the main thing that I think, yeah. It's so dynamic. It changes every day. We have challenges to provide the team with enough resources whenever we need something. Like, of course, like the technologies are somehow unlimited. We can think about like really complicated things, but at the same time, bringing those technologies into the project is a challenge. Cooperation is a challenge because nowadays everyone is super busy, and bring everyone on the same table to spend time and talk together and find a solution. That is a big challenge, but like so far we have done it in a good way. I think we have a good teamwork. I think that is basically the main idea. And sometimes some decisions are bring challenge. For example, we had the idea we didn't know that where we are going at the first moment. So we were working on like even thinking about going to market and making a product for the market, but that was, of course, a bad decision at first because we don't have the final solution yet. So that wrong decision was the reason that we like lost something like 1-2 months. We couldn't do anything productive, just like we were searching for different that was just an example, because like when we make a decision, it has consequences. So that was that is I think a big challenge, facing those consequences. I don't know if the people are working in this project are exceptional, or all of us, all the people, they can be so positive, they can work so positively together. But it is, for me, it's a little bit strange that like everyone is so positive, everyone is putting time, putting efforts, and putting like all of them are enthusiastic about the problem and the way to solve it. So what I see here is that nobody is looking for status, nobody is looking for, I don't know, money, or nobody is looking for, everyone is here because they love to solve something, they love to solve a problem, they love to make a contribution to the society. So that is the reason that I think, and more, all of the people in the team, they're self-motivated. So that is the reason that they can work together in a good way. We don't have hierarchy in the team. We don't have like something like manager or like someone in charge in that sense to like dictate the team. But it work. The whole team works in a really smooth way. Like everyone works together. Things are happening. But at the same time, we don't have a decision center, someone that take decision. And I think it's a really valuable thing that we have in the Catfish project. And I think although people are changing, people are coming and going, like some of us, they find jobs in different cities and they have to leave, but still we keep the cooperation, still we talk together, we ask questions. So of course we have some active members, but the ones that are not active, they're still in the team. They're like they help us with the progress. So yeah.
Okay.